We consider the product rule method of differentiation, and I want to get the first derivative of that. So what does the product rule says? It says that I itemize my variables in terms of u and v. So what do? I differentiate u, I keep v constant, and then I keep u constant, and then I differentiate v. So in this case, I differentiate ln of x, which will give me 1 over x. Then I keep ex constant as it is. In the second case, I keep ln of x constant, and then I differentiate e of x. And when you differentiate e of x, we still have e of x. So that's the solution for my first derivative of that. So I could write it as that plus that. And that's the first derivative when I use the product rule. Another example I could think about when I'm using a product rule is an example of the form y is equals to x raised to power 4, maybe e raised to power 2x. Again, I separate it into two as u and v, and therefore y prime is u prime v plus u v prime, meaning u prime means the first derivative of u with respect. So I'm referring to that as my u. So my y prime will be 4x cubed e of 2x plus x4 times 2e of 2x. And therefore, I can write this as 4x cubed plus 2x raised to power 4. And I could leave that as a solution to that product. And therefore, the first derivative is I differentiate sine, I get cos, then I multiply with cos x, and then I keep the sine x, and then I differentiate cos, I get negative sine x. So that would give me that, and you could go ahead and multiplying them out. Therefore, that will give me cos squared x minus sine squared x. So derivative, I want to differentiate this. The first part here, I have two parts, product rule. So the derivative of this will be 2x times 5, x squared plus 1 raised to power 4, ln of x plus x squared plus 1 raised to power 5 times 1 over x. And that gives me the derivative. Now, what have I done? The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. The derivative of x squared plus 1 raised to power 5 is you take 5 down, you reduce the power by 1. That gives me x squared plus 1 to power 4. And then you differentiate what is inside the bracket. X squared plus 1, when you differentiate, you get 2x. So the first derivative of that, therefore I can write it as x squared plus 1 to power 4. And then 10x ln x plus 1 over x, x squared plus 1. Yeah. And you can